Okay, everybody, so here is the one that I just showed you with live paint, and I wanted to show you that you could also add gradients to your live paint. So now I'm going to show you how to do how to use a brush, basically. If you can't see your icons well, which I can't, you can click down here and go Panel Options, and you can change this to whatever number you want. I like it at 70, just so I can see what I'm doing better. Another thing is, if you get brushes that you like, you can actually save them. So I actually, whoopsie, I've actually done that. I've saved them, my Mooney October brushes, and there's all different kinds that you can get. If you want these, just let me know. I need to hit B for brush. Let me get this out of the way. Another thing you can do that I just found out is you can double click here, and it just made my brushes small. See right here? You can do that with any of them. Just double click, double click. I could double click these, but I don't want to. Anyway, so that's kind of cool. So I'm going to turn that one off. I'm going to lock. I'm like an overlocker because I don't want to be on the wrong layer. I've heard lots of you guys saying that, oh, I was on the wrong layer. Oh no. Okay, let's see if this looks good. I'm going to pick a different one. Let me see, where is it? Where's the ones I just... God. Go backwards. Get those back. I must have closed them. Okay, this is the one I like. Okay, so I think let me double click this. There we go. Let us move it. That's good enough. Okay, so I'm going to outline this guy, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to overshot my lines, if that makes any sense. I'm going to make them all a little longer than you want. I'm going to make them cross themselves. And you'll see why in just a second. This is not my technique. This is just a video that I watched. I haven't tried it yet. This is me trying it for the first time. It looked like it might be something that might help us. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Oops, I'm forgetting to... well, number one, I'm pressing down too hard for these, so I'm going to just do kind of light. I wonder if I can select that and make the stroke smaller. Is a stroke right here? Let's see if it'll let me. Oh yeah, it did. Yeah, it did. Okay, so B for brush again. See, I'm crossing these on purpose. Okay, now I need, see if it'll let me use the eyedropper tool to pick this brush again. Will it be fat again? Yeah. Okay. Darn it. I keep forgetting to cross over. I'm making a cartoon of him, so I'm going to make his nose a little bit bigger than I want. It might be okay. We'll see. I don't know why I'm having him smile. He's always barking. I should have his mouth open. He drives me bananas. And you know what? That's probably good enough for now. So then the next thing that you want to do is we want to turn off this little guy. We can see what we got. It looks kind of funny. But let's not worry about how funny it looks. Let me zoom out a little bit. You want to hit V, I believe. And I'm going to hold Option down. And I'm going to bring over... Hang on, let me zoom out because I'm going to hold Option. I'm going to bring over a copy of this just in case I mess this up. Okay, so zoom in. Okay, so now then what you have to do is you have to select all of these. Make sure I got them all. And this is where it gets kind of strange. You're going to go Object, Expand Appearance, and then you're going to go Object, Live Paint, Make, and then Object, Live Paint, Expand. I guess I need to be under Object, Live Paint, Expand, and then we should be able to come in here and delete where we overshot our lines. So you have to click off, and I think you have to click A, or you have to get the little white arrow, let's see, and hit delete. Yep. So I'm going to pause, because this is going to take me a while to go and delete all of these overshot lines. Looks like I'm having to press twice. I'm going to pause for just a second. Okay, so I have finished fixing everything that I want to fix, because this is just a demo, not like a real thing. The next thing that you do, just so you know, I've gone and I've deleted all of those lines that were overshot. The next thing that you want to do is you want to get your black arrow tool, and then you want to select all of your drawing. Let's see if it did. It did. And then we want to go Object, Live Paint, Make. Live Paint, Make. Okay, didn't tell me that while ago. And then we want to click off, and then we're going to hit K, or you can come over here and get your Live Paint Bucket tool, and you hover over things and make sure that everything is going to fill in, which I think it is. So I'm going to go ahead and get my colors. Where are my swatches? And oh, it made my swatches bigger too, yay. So here's the colors that I did. I forgot what I was going to say, darn it. In another video I showed you how to do this. And let's see here. Let's say I want this color here. Oops. So I can just scroll through the colors. Ooh, I don't like that color. Or I could just click over here if I want. Anyway, this is kind of how it works. Here. Eyedropper tool. Why is it blue? It's weird. Eyedropper tool. Okay. Here we go. What's going on? And I'm not sure what this color is, so I'm going to hit the eyedropper tool. I'm going to hit K again. Come over here and get that color because I wanted it to be the same. That looks funny right there. I'd have to fix that if this was for real. I'm not sure what this color is, so I'm going to hit the eyedropper tool and hit K. Fill it in. And I'm going to zoom out. And if I was doing this for real, I'd probably change this color because that looks better. I'd probably do this. That's not red. Hello. Red. And that's how you do it. Ah, it made him red. That's funny. I'm easily amused, y'all. I'll probably play with this a little bit and find out what colors I want. I missed a little spot right in there, but that's alright. So you get the idea. And I could do this all day. Nope. No. Let's show you what a gradient looks like. So gradient looks kind of cool. You can have your gradients ready already, which I think I did. That doesn't look good, but anyway, you get the idea. That's all.